Hello students, welcome back. In the last session, we have studied inheritance in Python. In that we have studied what is inheritance, syntax of inheritance in Python, multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance in Python. In today's session, we will discuss method overriding. When we inherit a class in a subclass, then all the methods of the parent class are available in the child class. But if a child class wants a specific implementation of the methods which are inherited from the parent class, then the child class can redefine the methods which are inherited from the parent class. And redefining the methods which are defined in the parent class again in the child class, it is called as method overriding. Okay, in today's session we will study about method overriding with an example program. So let's start. Okay, as we have discussed, we can provide some specific implementation of the parent class method in our child class. So whatever methods we inherit from the parent class, those parent class methods can be rewritten in the child class when we want some specific implementation of those methods. When the parent class method is defined in the child class with some specific implementation, then the concept is called as method overriding. So this concept of redefining the method from the parent class into the child class, it is called as method overriding. Okay, let's see method overriding with an example program, a simple example program. Now look at this example. We have a class here, the class animal, and the animal class includes one method, that is method speak, and this method simply printing speaking. We have one more class, the class dog, and the class dog is inheriting the animal class. As we know, class as the class dog inheriting animal, the methods from the animal are available in the class dog. The method speak is available in the dog class. But suppose dog class do not want the same implementation of speak as it is given in the parent class animal, then what dog class can do? Dog class can redefine the speak method. Now you can see we have redefined the speak method here. And when we redefine the speak method in the child class, then we call it as method overriding. Now in this speak method, what implementation has been included? We have a print statement printing barking. So in the initial speak method we had speaking, and that implementation of the speak method we do not want in the child class. So we have redefined and we have given a separate implementation or a specific implementation, that is printing the barking. So we can redefine the methods of a parent class in the child class. And when we create an object of a child class, that is d is equals to dog, and when we try to call a method speak, it will call a method speak from the child class, that is dog. So it will print barking, it will not print speaking, because this speak method is overriding the speak method of animal class. Okay, so this is a simple example of method overriding. Let us look at one more example. So this example, it is more like a real example. Okay, in this example we have a class bank, and this defines a method get ROI, that is get rate of interest, and it is returning, this method is returning value 10. Okay, we have one more class SBI, and if you look at this class SBI is inheriting class bank. So the properties of bank are also the properties of class SBI, and class SBI has redefined the method get ROI, which is defined in the bank class. You can see same method has been rewritten in SBI, but in SBI it has a different implementation or a specific implementation. That is, in SBI get ROI is returning value 7, that is get rate of interest, it is returning 7, whereas we have one more class ICICI, and even this is inheriting bank, and it even it has overridden the method get rate of interest, and here it is returning value 8. So all the three classes has get rate of interest method, but all the three classes, the rate of interest in all the three classes are different. So SBI's rate of interest is different, ICICI's rate of interest is different, whereas a bank's rate of interest is different. So when we create an object, you can see we have created an object of bank class, then SBI, and then we have created an object of ICICI as well, and the objects are B1, B2 and B3. And when we print when we try to print the rate of interest of a bank by using object B1 dot get ROI, so when I say B1 dot get ROI, B1 it is an object of bank, so it will call a method get rate of interest from the bank class. Bank class has only one get rate of interest, remember, because bank class is not inheriting any other class, so it has only one get of rate of interest method, and that returns value 10. So first print statement will print the value 10, remember. Then we have second print statement, that is SBI rate of interest B2 dot get rate of interest. Now B2 is the object of SBI. Now SBI class, you may say that it contains two get rate of interest method, one from the super class bank and another from its own method, that is get rate of interest. Super class method get rate of interest, it is returning 10, whereas child class it is returning 7. So which get rate of which method get rate of interest will be called? It will always call the overridden method, that is from the child class, that is get rate of interest, which returns value 7. So you may say the child class method get rate of interest, it is overriding the parent class method get rate of interest. So B dot get rate of interest, it will print value 7, not value 10. Same way when we say B3 dot get rate of interest, this will call the get rate of interest method, which is defined in the class ICICI, which will print the value 8. So it is printing the value 8. So this is method overriding in Python. So method overriding simply means the method which is defined in the parent class, when it is again defined in the child class, then it is called as method overriding. Okay, that's it in today's session. We will stop here. Thank you.